Hello, this is Emily. I'm Melina. Lots of people are preparing HSK exam. The following videos will help you to learn common used words in HSK exams and to learn how to write them. Are you ready? Let's start. The first word we need to learn is 爱情. 爱情 which means love. 爱情 The second word is 爸爸 爸爸 See, these two characters are the same. 爸爸 which means dad. Okay? Next word we need to learn is 杯子 杯子杯子 which means cup. Okay? Next one is 北京 which means Peking. Yes. 北京 It's a big city in China. Have you been there? 北京 Okay. Next word, let's learn 本子 本子本子 Exercise book 本子 Next word 红茶红茶红茶 which means black tea. Do you like it? Black tea. 红茶 Okay. Next word we will learn 吃饭吃饭吃饭 which means have a meal. Have a meal. 吃饭 Next one 出租车出租车 which means taxi, right? 出租车 Okay. Next one, we will learn 电话电话 which means phone 电话 Okay? The last word we will learn today is 大的 大的 which means big 大的 Okay? That's all for today. These are the 10 words we need to learn in HSK 1 today. In the next video, we will keep learn other words in HSK 1. See you next time. 再见。